Open Snapseed app. Launch on your device. Load the image you want to edit. Click on the Healing option. Make the necessary edits using the Healing tool. Once done, export the edited image. Launch the Background Eraser app on your device. Import the image you stopboard. Carefully erase the background from the image. Export the image with the background removed. Open your device's gallery. Locate the image with the background erased image. Crop the image as needed to refine the edges or to focus on specific parts. Save the cropped image. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Start a new project and add the image you exported from Snapseed. Click on the Add Overlay option. Import the background erased and cropped images as overlays. Arrange the PNG images on the timeline as desired. Take some time to position each image correctly. Rotate and adjust the keyframes properly to ensure smooth transitions and alignment. Review your project to ensure everything is in place. Make any necessary adjustments to the keyframes and positioning. Once satisfied, export the final video or image sequence from CapCut.